Day 3 of being a chef on a yacht. It was a rainy morning today, so I decided to go with something hearty for breakfast. So I made some oatmeal and accompanied that with a lot of toppings the guests could choose from. Now onto lunch prep. I made a bechamel. I will actually be using this for lunch and dinner. One of the guests got hungry while I was doing this and they asked for a smoothie. Okay, back to prep. So I cut and sauteed my mushrooms and then shaped out my pizza dough. I'm using the bechamel sauce as the base, spreading on those sauteed mushrooms, and then topping with mozzarella and parm. I'm also making 2 types of mussels. So for lunch we had a mixed green salad, mussels, and the flatbread. Now I'm making hummus for cocktail hour. Guests got hungry again, so I put out a plate of fruit. And then I cut up and salted eggplant for moussaka tonight. Think of it as a Greek lasagna. Seasoning up some ground lamb, add in some tomato paste, red wine, and tomatoes. And for a side, I'm doing green beans. For assembly, I put the meat down first, then the eggplant, and then the bechamel, and top with cheese and panko. With the leftover eggplant, I decided to make baba ganoush. For cocktail hour, I made baba ganoush, hummus, and a spinach dip. And finally, for dessert, I made baklava. So layered in my phyllo dough, and then my sugar and cinnamon nuts, and baked it off. And here's the table all set up for dinner. Spooned the honey syrup over my baklava. The owner said it was some of the best baklava he's ever had. The crew helped me clean up my galley, and off to bed. Bye, little chef.